In this video, you'll learn how to use Notes on Gnowbe. Our Notes feature lets you highlight and save essential bits of information, or record down any comments, thoughts, or ideas you have throughout your learning journey. To use the Notes feature on Gnowbe, highlight your selected word, phrase, or sentence, and click Add to Notes. A pop-up will appear once your note is added. Click See Notes to review your notes. You will enter your notes board. Here, you'll be able to view a compilation of all your saved notes, or record down your own notes. Click the trash icon to delete notes whenever you like. Or you can delete your own notes manually. Click Save to save your notes. To view your notes anytime, click the Notes button on the top right corner of your screen to revisit them. That's it. Good luck!